Hi there. Technology is awesome, but also tech can really disrupt human beings' lives. That's why in this video I want to talk about 10 jobs which are bound to be replaced by artificial intelligence, AI. In other words, artificial intelligence or AI is basically machines out there trying to mimic human intelligence. And by the way, guys, over time, machines have really gotten good at this. That's why in the recent few months, we've all seen the term AI flare around. And in fact, from about 5 months ago, with the release of ChatGPT, AI has really gotten into many people out there, rightfully so. And even so, in the recent few days, we've even seen music out there being released powered by AI. A voice which actually mimics a human being exact voice. And of course, different algorithms out there exist, ranging from, for example, natural language processing, speech recognition, you name it. And also associated with that, guys, we're talking about also using the power of robotics. Robots also to actualize what is mimicked of human intelligence. That's why I thought it is important for me to make this video to share with you 10 jobs which AI is bound to replace soon. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. When you subscribe and also drop a like on this video, it's gonna really assist this video to reach many more people out there. Having said that, first on this list, we're talking about jobs relating to accounting, bookkeeping, bank teller, you name it. Any finance related kind of jobs which require record keeping or entry or bookkeeping. Guys, these jobs are really going to be replaced really fast and also very hard. And I'm saying so because even we've seen for now, we have automated accounting solutions out there, automated records out there, which are actually powered by AI. This tells you that actually AI is really going to disrupt the finance and accounting world. And with that, you need to understand, yes, you could continue acquiring this knowledge, but also be at the frontier. In case you're an accountant, in case you're a finance professional out there, be at the frontier in understanding what technologies can assist you in your job. And through that, you could be able to save some more years on your job, but nevertheless, tech is going to catch up with your specific job. And then the second job, which is actually also bound to be replaced by AI because this is inevitable, is jobs relating to salespersons out there. We've all seen different tech companies out there put forth solutions around how sales can happen. Of course, the skill when it comes to selling is a very specialized skill and it's nurtured over time, but also AI has an advantage because machines out there are able to learn about individual characteristics out there, learn about different demographic characteristics out there, and have a chain of commands or measures which they can evoke in any particular scenario. So also we're having different solutions out there which are actually pitching sales projects for companies out there. Amazon has one in place and also other companies out there. This tells you that the traditional salesperson jobs out there are bound to be disrupted real big. And by the way, the third job, which actually relates to these two, is jobs around customer service and so forth. Look here, guys. We all know the power of customer service. But in recent times, we've all seen the trajectory. Of course, it began with own companies handling their own customer service and then went to contact centers or call centers whereby they have the central kind of call agents dealing with customer service and so forth. And even so, now we have chatbots which are actually assisting people out there to address any customer service challenges out there. This tells you that AI is really bound to take over customer service over time. And even now, combine this with the robotics out there. We're talking about even some restaurants out there having robots serve clients. We're talking about even at receptions of some hotels out there being fully automated, AI powered with robotics, actually robots welcoming people to the hotel, checking on them and so forth. This tells you jobs around customer service or customer care are bound to be replaced real big too, right? And then the fourth, jobs which are bound to be disrupted with AI are jobs around retail service. You know, talk about shops or anything someone out there sells. And by the way, this guys has been cooking for a while because we've all seen some kind of industries out there. For example, milk dispensing industries, oil industries, even snack bars out there having automated vendor machines. This tells you anything which a person sells out there is a possibility of AI fully taking over. And of course, we've seen even some pioneering of supermarkets out there which are fully automated, self-service, and then you check out by yourself. It is a robot which assists you check out. This tells you, even in many years to come, our normal retail shops are bound to be disrupted by AI because AI could take over. And if you're not careful, you might find yourself in a trap whereby AI is actually executing everything you are doing, right from inventory management to checking out customers when they are actualizing their sales. This tells you also these particular kind of jobs are bound to be disrupted real big. And then the fifth jobs which are bound to be disrupted by AI real big, and actually we've also seen these build up in recent years, is jobs around taxi and also tracking companies. This all because we have seen advancements in automation when it comes to car. You know, we've seen vehicles out there, different companies, Tesla, Google, you name it, different companies out there have actually been working together to see how to automate and also provide us safe driving cars out there. This tells you that beyond self-driving individual cars, also there's a possibility of trucks also out there getting into this automation business, and even those people working in taxi industry and also trucking business are bound to see their fortunes change because in the next few years, AI could possibly take over. And then the sixth set of job which is bound to be replaced is any jobs around academic writing, online writing, articles writing, translation, you name it. Guys, we are actually even seeing this working magic because even as of now, guys, we're talking about, for example, the power of ChatGPT, retrieving all the sources out there. Also, we have different kind of support academic writing materials out there powered by AI, which assists people out there to be able to execute academic writing. This tells you that AI is really gonna disrupt this space. No joke around it. AI is gonna really disrupt this space. Reason being, we're gonna see solutions all over. Right now, we're talking about solutions around original writing, paraphrasing, kind of checking of what is happening, other spell check, and so forth. This tells you that this industry is bound to be disrupted. And I think, by the way, of this list, this is among the first kind of jobs which AI is gonna fully take over. Of course, there's a debate. In case AI takes over academic writing, what will be the progression with regards to human intelligence? How will human beings out there be consuming information? All that we're bound to see, but also that speaks to the possible negative effects of AI taking over such kind of industries. But be rest assured, this is bound to happen. And then another job which is also bound to be taken over by AI, the job number 7, is jobs which are done by, for example, receptionists out there. Guys, we have support staff, receptionists in different offices out there, hotels, different companies, and so forth. All these are most likely going to be taken over by AI. Reason being, all you're going to have is robots, for example, welcoming people, and also intelligence systems asking people what they require, and so forth. And by the way, just to give an example, we also what happened in the banking industry a few years ago, whereby we see self-service being taken to the next level. You pick a ticket, you wait for your time, life goes on. This tells you that also those traditional kind of reception jobs, support staff in front desk and so forth, these are bound to be taken over by AI because they have kind of mundane kind of tasks, and also those kind of tasks which have kind of like close-ended questions, which actually can easily be commanded through different machines and systems out there. So AI is also bound to take over these kind of jobs. And then guys, the 8th, jobs which are bound to be taken over by AI are jobs around security. More so, this is gonna be a heavy combination of software and hardware. And I'm saying so because it's gonna be automated checking systems out there. Of course, even robots are gonna frisk you. We're talking about even automated intelligence systems out there which work through the power of IoT to combine that with AI. All these are really gonna disrupt the security industry. So all those people working in the security space need to be careful and see what the next frontier is, because this is inevitable. We're gonna see AI really disrupt this space quite huge. And then the ninth job, which is bound to be disrupted by AI, is jobs around medical assistance. We've all seen in hospitals, we have different kinds of medical team support staff and assistants out there. For example, right in the medical teams, talking about, for example, surgical assistants and so forth. Within the hospitals, we're talking about even support staffs in different areas, whether it's front desk, whether it is those working with laboratory specialists, those working at the pharmacies, and so forth. These jobs are also bound to be replaced real big by AI. Mostly because they have very clear kind of instructions and also prompts. And be rest assured, AI and machines out there are really going to be able to execute on these jobs also in the next few years. So if you're working in this space, you need to be thinking, what is the next frontier? And most importantly, how could you be of value whereby you can be dispensable? Think about it and hopefully execute for you to ensure you remain in these spaces even when AI takes over a huge chunk of jobs in this space. And then the last job which I want to discuss with you, which also is gonna be replaced real big by AI, and also jobs around factories, industries out there. Think about those people out there who do, for example, packaging of different things in the industries. Guys, these are some of the simple jobs out there which AI, and also combining that with Internet of Things, combined with robotics, is really gonna disrupt this industry real big. Of course, we've seen already this happening in some of the industries out there. We're seeing robots doing excellent jobs out there, combined with IoT, powered by AI too. This is really causing a shift with regards to how traditional packaging and branding and anything which happens in the factories used to happen. So if you're working in these spaces, think about diversification and even so what the next frontier is, because AI is also bound to disrupt this kind of jobs real hard. What do you think about these 10 jobs? Do you think there are other jobs out there which also AI is going to disrupt real big, which I haven't talked about? If there are, kindly share with us in the comment section down below. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.